This is the video in which ChatGPT-4o is helping the blind person to experience the real world and imagine the beauty of nature around him. It looks like ChatGPT-4o has eyes and can describe the world.
Try and tell me exactly what they're doing right now, please.
Right now the ducks are gently gliding across the water. They're moving in a fairly relaxed manner, not in a hurry. Occasionally, one of them will dip its head under the water, probably looking for food, and then pop back up.
Now it's providing the guidelines to the same blind person, traveling with the help of ChatGPT only.
Yes, I spotted one just now. It's heading your way on the left side of the road. Get ready to wave it down. Great job hailing that taxi. It looks like you're all set to go. That's a good dog right there.
Those who don't know ChatGPT-4o have arrived, and it can be downloaded in the iPhone devices only as per this detail date. It can do the things that are completely insane. A few years ago, man could not even think about it. It revolutionized the whole industry, like Apple once revolutionized the mobile industry. I'll tell you some latest information about what are the things that this ChatGPT-4o can do, and the best part is, it's completely free for now. Thanks to Sam Altman, who gave the whole world this amazing opportunity for free, ChatGPT-4o revolutionized the global education industry. Now you and your children have a personal tutor in your pocket which provides you real-world feedback and interactive methods.
Can you identify which side is the opposite side to angle alpha?
Okay, well, you told me earlier that this was the adjacent side, and I know that's the hypotenuse, so I'm guessing that this side, BC, is the opposite side.
Great deduction. That's absolutely correct.
Not only can you solve mathematics problems, but ChatGPT can be your personal fitness coach and outfit selection. It has pet training capabilities too. Another cool part is, there is no doubt ChatGPT-4o can talk like an extremely real person, like this type of tones and emotions. I don't hear these on even premium AI voices. Look at this video of how ChatGPT is giving his opinion.
In a few minutes, I'm going to be interviewing at OpenAI. It's for a software engineering role, but I just need to know, do I look presentable? So I'm just going to throw this on. What do you think?
Oh, Rocky, that's quite a statement piece. I mean, you'll definitely stand out. Though maybe not in the way you're hoping for an interview.
Okay, I got it.
Do you think any woman can compliment like this? It's beyond everything. You can now learn a whole new language with full pronunciation guidelines and tone. You don't have to go to an academy and spend your hard-earned money. Many tools are out there that can translate the languages, but ChatGPT-4o is unlike others. It can translate real-time, meaning it is much superior and providing the better experience than traditional translators.
Can you tell me anything about it? That sounds really interesting.
¿Me puedes contar algo sobre eso? Suena realmente interesante.
No puedo decir mucho, pero creo que el resto del mundo lo verá dentro de poco.
I can't say much, but I think the rest of the world will see it soon enough.
ChatGPT-4o can now join your live meetings to generate the notes, summarize the meeting, and to solve any problem.
Can you summarize this meeting for us?
Sure. So, in today's meeting, Lillian and Christine expressed their love for dogs, highlighting their loyalty, companionship, and how great they are with kids.
Customer support has never been easier and cheaper than now. ChatGPT-4o revolutionized the customer support service for both companies and buyers. Now you don't need to hire many employees for handling your customer support.
iPhone was delivered 2 days ago. Cool. Could you share the order number with me? Of course. It's 10293-849.
It is extremely personalized and automatic now. You can save both time and money. If you are an expert or a newbie in trading, then ChatGPT can now be your personal advisor. It can read the market trends, analyzing livestock, market data, and patterns. Also, it can now provide insights on candlesticks, support, resistance, and volume. Thank you for watching. Don't miss out on the future of technology. Please subscribe and join our community today.